Look no further than the 2020 Jeep Compass. This vehicle still has fewer than 35,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Feel safe and secure when you explore your world in the Compass. Take a test drive today.